when it comes to MOCRA, which is what this whole series is going to be about, there's nobody better in the world to partner with than Pam. Pam is the person that is going to take a deep dive into all the changes that the FDA is coming through with MOCRA, and she is going to make it really simple. So just to quickly summarize, we're going to have on my website alerts and updates and guidelines, and we're also going to do some Q&A on Zoom that are live, and then we're going to record them and drop them in there. So we're going to have a lot of free information that just demystifies what the FDA is doing. It's very confusing right now. It's not complete, and Pam is going to simplify it for everyone and answer all the questions, and we'll have that available to you. This next question, I've actually had a few people ask me, and I realize that it's not so straightforward as I think it would be. So I think this is a really interesting question, is that, you know, we're talking about cosmetics. And when we talk about cosmetics, we're really referring to cosmetics versus OTC. But I've had people ask me, well, I'm doing a body care product, or I'm doing a nail polish, or I'm doing a body scrub, and oh, I'm doing skincare, or I'm doing hair care. And do those products fall under MOCRA, or is it, you know, how are they defining cosmetics, I guess is the question.
Okay. All those products are cosmetics. They all fall under MOCRA. The only thing that really isn't a cosmetic is a soap. A bar of soap is it has its own kind of category. It's kind of exempt, and I'd have to go back and pull more details off. And you know, I think, Courtney, maybe what we should do is when we update the information, we include the definition of cosmetics so that everyone understands. I mean, cosmetic is to beautify, cleanse, so on and so forth. It's not intended to treat or mitigate a disease, you know. So we can include the definition of a cosmetic and the definition of a drug, so you can see the differences. And the other thing is, FDA does not recognize a cosmeceutical. They don't recognize that in between category. It's either a cosmetic or a drug, as far as FDA's definitions go, and their recognition. So, but we can include those definitions. But everything you said, shampoo, hair care, skin care, if you're nail care, they're all cosmetics. The only thing that's excluded is bar soap.
Okay, that's really interesting. And I mean, I would love to do a whole separate video on cosmeceuticals or claims on skincare. So that could be like its whole series in itself.